April is here, and with it, well, hopefully for most of you, comes the start of spring. And with spring we get allergies. Well, yes, but no. Spring cleaning. Let's be honest, you kind of dread spring cleaning, but when you finish it, you do feel good. You get rid of stuff you don't need, whether it be dirt or clothes, or for some reason that Flowbee you've been hanging on to, I don't know why. And essentially you prioritize the stuff that you like. But actually doing spring cleaning can feel like a chore because, well, it is a chore, but it needs to be done. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. And here are some ways that you can do that. First, think about the services that you offer and ask yourself, do I enjoy doing this? If the answer is no, then consider getting rid of it. When I started my company, I offered a lot more services than I offer now. But over time, some of them I just didn't enjoy doing. Ads, websites, sorry, allergies. When you don't enjoy performing a service you offer, the quality suffers. And you start to kind of resent the clients and the money. The second thing you can do is evaluate your content. Look at your social posts, your videos, blogs, podcasts from the last 3 to 6 months. What did well? Why did it do well? Look for themes or trends and then do more of that. And the third thing you can do to spring clean your business is make a plan. If something about your business is grimy or neglected or seems insurmountable, don't try to fix it all at once. Break down the issue into smaller tasks with due dates. Share them with employees or loved ones to hold you accountable. And if you don't know how to dissect a problem, ask for help. Now, I hope this goes without saying, if your issue is with marketing, I would hope that you'd book time to chat with me to see how or if I can help. But the beauty of my Clarity community that I have is that we have professionals with all sorts of expertise, financial, digital ads, graphic design, social media that you can connect with. Don't be a business problem hoarder. That's how you end up on the show Hoarders. And we discover that your missing cat has been pancaked by your collection of Motor Trend magazines. That's all for this 3-minute motivation. Let me know in the comments what you'll be doing this month to spring clean your business. And until next time, I encourage you to keep pedaling.